name is Jynx Lee. I am 9 years old. I learn robotics at Robotland Center Sungai, Petani, Kedah. This is my robot. It is a washing machine. This idea is come from my teacher when I was studying on online class. My teacher always say because of MCO she cannot go back to hometown to wash her clothes. I hope I can do this washing machine to give my teacher. This two sensor to control the washing machine. This gear motor to wash the clothes. And this gear motor to spin the cloth to dry. Aha! This sensor to detect the payment. Let me show you my robot.